Give me Jody, give me Carol. Top 5 answers on the board. We asked 100 married men. Name a bird that sounds like your mother-in-law. Carol.
Red bird.
A red bird.
I'm gonna go with a parrot.
A parrot.
We're gonna play. We're gonna play.
All right, ladies, we talked to 100 married men. Okay, here we go. Name a bird sounds like your mother-in-law.
A crow.
Yeah, that's her. A crow. Jamie, a bird that sounds like your mother-in-law.
A hummingbird. Good answer. Yes.
Hummingbird. Miss Pam, name a bird that sounds like your mother-in-law.
Buzzard. Not mine, though.
No, sounds like.
It's a multiple choice.
No, you went with a visual. Now, see, you don't let this game get the best of you now. You talking about how somebody look. We just want to know how they sound. Buzz it! Sarah, we got 2 strikes. You got to be careful. Calloway family can steal.
A woodpecker.
A woodpecker. Two strikes, Jody. They can steal. Be careful. 100 married men. Name a bird that sounds like your mother-in-law.
An owl. Good answer. Good answer.
An owl. All right, folks, we ask 100 married men, name a bird that sounds like your mother-in-law.
Steve, we're gonna say a turkey.
A turkey! Number 4.
Hold on.
2.
Chicken,
Well, we got 2 good families, folks. We'll be right back.